Hey guys, welcome back. Today, the most difficult one is getting a job. Google now introduced an app to make it simple. Chroma is an app that helps to search for the jobs. Let us see about this in the video. Students who are in the mid of your degree have a great opportunity. They can search through the app and they can start learning new skills based on the qualification mentioned for the particular jobs. Now, first register with your email ID. Select the type of job you are looking for up to 3 interest. Next, select the place where you want to work. Then, the app will show the jobs which are available in that place. Now, make sure that you have completed your profile session. You can also upload your resume to this app. When you click on the job title, you will get the full info about the company and your job. If you are interested in any job with the qualification they provided, apply for the job. You will be noticed further from the company for the next procedures. All the best, guys. Thank you. And don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends.